Energy is everything and everything is energy. We have read about it. And it is a fact, people. Universe is energy, money is energy, we ourselves as acting as energy. So if you really want to have that kind of desired reality in your life and you want to transform your life for the best version, then you have to attract that abundance in your life, that energy flow in your life. And that could only happen if you are going to vibrate at that frequency. So what can you do for doing that? First of all, you have to start with rewiring your brain. What do you mean by rewiring your brain? You really need to train your mind. You have to rewire your brain to take very conscious steps. Obviously, after self-awareness, you have to be very much aware about what is happening around you, what you are doing, what you're saying, what you're believing. That is the most important thing. You have to be very conscious about what you speak, what you feel, what you believe, what you talk, everything, what you think. It's very, very important. And then only you will be able to attract the abundance in your life. Obviously, this is very, very important. So the first thing you have to understand is self-awareness. Second, taking the conscious steps, very, very important. Third, getting in contact with certain people who can help you out to rewire your brain. Fourth, very important, believe in the process and have an utmost faith. And fifth, be consistent. Take care.